Every batch of mutton karahi is refined and tested for taste. Perfect balance of spices and fresh ingredients is the...
Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how mutton karahi is made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
These goats look incredibly healthy on this pasture.
Yes, the grass quality here is excellent for them.
Come on now, get in there. Move it along. All right, she's all yours, driver.
Check the temperature on this batch.
It's optimal. Moving to the next stage.
Perfect balance of spices and fresh ingredients is the secret behind... Perfect balance of spices and fresh ingredients is the secret behind authentic mutton karahi. Authentic mutton karahi. The karahi consistency is slightly off. Check the temperature.
Increasing the heat intensity. Timing sequence initiated.
Every batch of mutton karahi is refined and tested for taste and texture. Every pack of mutton karahi is checked before leaving the facility.
Every pack of mutton karahi is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how mutton karahi is made, recursive, from start to finish.